This time on Legacy 4x4, we're gonna find some mud, break down the Dodge, and have a good time testing to see how our Dodge does without any real performance modifications. Come here. Hey. What are you guys getting all muddy for? This time on Legacy 4x4, we're taking the Dodge out, we're finding some mud, and doing a little test run with the stock components with that little lift and the dovetail in the back. But I will tell you, hopefully by the end of this month, if not by the end of next month, we will be taking to Jake's house. We're gonna do a full, complete roll cage and interior update on the old Dodge, and it's really gonna transform it. And then, you know, after that, we're gonna start worrying about, hi there. We're gonna start worrying about, you know, fixing the suspension and putting some lockers in it and having a real good time. But this time we're in Georgia. We're gonna go find some nice Georgia mud. Yeah, as you can see, this trail is pretty worn down, and you know, we got probably about 4 or 5 feet of depth in mud and, you know, fender parts. This is a known Jeep ripper. A lot of stock Jeeps come up here because they think they can handle it and kind of tear their stuff apart. So good thing I don't care about the Dodge, and we're going to tear it apart on our way up this little mile uphill right here. Man, the struggles being a cameraman, just running ahead with the dogs at least, but let's get that next shot. Run, Loki, run! Loki, come on, dude. Come here. Stop. Next one. Boy. Look at that, wait, keep it cranked, keep it. I want to see where my fender clearance issue is. Yeah, that's gonna need to get North Cal a little more. That's not enough clearance. Hello, Kaiser. Yeah. Hello, are you sporting us? Hello. Here's a good sporter. So we're pushing 220 on engine temps, and we haven't done much, which is not ideal, even though I know there's only one little single fan with a dinky little electric radiator, so I know where the issue is, but I might have to give it a break here and hang out with the dogs for a little bit, because that's not going to be conducive to a wheeling machine. So let's see what's down this trail. It appears to have a boiling issue, and we were right though. We knew it was gonna happen, so we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Poor Dodge is overheated, so before the dogs go swimming, we're going to cool it off some and hit this water crossing real fast. Wow, nice nice and clean. All right. We're having a bit of a heating issue, so we're going to go ahead and limp her home and worry about that. But it was a good little test drive. At least we can see it's somewhat capable to perform. So next time you see it though, it'll probably be building the cage or doing the interior, tube doors. You'll see. It's gonna get a lot of stock material removed and a lot of custom tube work and metal and interior added to it. So that's gonna be pretty exciting when we get to it. That's gonna be Jake and I together since COVID restrictions have finally let up so we can see each other again. So yeah. Back at the house, and you know how it is. Just going to let it sit here until I make my way to Jake's house, make the trek. I am planning on driving the Dodge to Jake's house, so that should be a fun journey. And it only floats on the road quite a lot, so we'll see how that one goes. We might tow it, we might drive it. Not really sure yet. All I know is it rips really well for a stock truck, and it's really fun for, you know, what I have into it. But when those upgrades come, it's going to be fully caged. It's going to have a custom interior, tube doors, sliders, and yeah. So that's what that's going to be. And then by the time after that, hopefully we can actually work on, you know, fixing the suspension, the stock suspension, and putting some lockers in it, and then we'll be pretty much done with this cheap second gen crawler.